What's going on? We out here in McKinney servicing this van for one of my clients, owner of Sparkle and Shine Mobile Detailing, one of the best detailers out here in Dallas in the McKinney area. We're gonna start with the oil change. It's a 15 millimeter bolt on the oil pan, and then this oil filter is a 3614. You're gonna have a shield under here too that's gonna be held on with some T30 sockets. Hot. When you're changing them oil filters, you always got to double check to make sure that gasket didn't stick right there. Look at that. It's from the old filter. Can easily cause a leak. So always just make sure to double check. Takes 5.7 quarts of oil. I was looking at the brakes. They don't look like they're too bad, but he was saying possibly that he feels like vibration when he's braking. So it could be needing some rotors. And if you're getting rotors, might as well get a new set of brakes as well.